AI is changing the world faster than ever, and the best part is that you don't need coding skills or any technical background to take advantage of it. In this video, we're exploring powerful AI tools that can actually help you make money in 2026, even if you're a complete beginner. These tools can automate work, create content, and open new income opportunities with almost no effort. Let's get started. The first tool is Krea AI. Krea is an advanced image generation platform that creates professional visuals in seconds. You can generate product photos, posters, YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, and even logo concepts with just a prompt. Businesses need creative content daily, and people are already selling these services on Fiverr and Etsy for anywhere between $10 and $80 per order. With Krea, you can produce high-quality images instantly and deliver client work without spending hours designing. It's one of the easiest ways to start earning with AI. The second tool is Tavily AI. Tavily is a smart research assistant that finds accurate, reliable information on any topic. If you've ever needed quick research for blogs, YouTube videos, school assignments, marketing content, or online business planning, Tavily does all of it in seconds. You can offer research summaries, blog outlines, topic reports, competitor analysis, and content research as a service. Many freelancers charge for these tasks because companies and creators want information fast. Tavily can turn 1 hour of research into 10 minutes of work, which increases how many clients you can take on and how much you can earn. The next tool is Floiki AI. Floiki is an AI-powered video generator that focuses on product videos, promotional content, and social media ads. It works similarly to Pictory but comes with more templates designed for businesses. You can create explainer videos, product demonstrations, advertisement clips, and vertical reels for clients. Right now, video content is in high demand everywhere, and people pay anywhere from $30 to $150 for a single video. Floiki handles the editing, transitions, and visuals for you, so you simply paste the script and export the final video. This makes it a perfect side hustle with minimal effort. The fourth tool is Durable AI. Durable builds complete business websites automatically in less than 60 seconds. Yes, an entire website in just 1 minute. This tool is amazing if you want to offer simple website building services without knowing how to code. Local businesses always need landing pages, service pages, restaurant menus, or portfolio websites. Even simple sites can cost between $200 and $500 when done manually. With Durable, you can generate the entire site, customize it quickly, and deliver it to your client in a fraction of the time, making it one of the most profitable AI tools right now. The fifth tool is LoopGen AI. LoopGen creates professional looping animations that work perfectly for ads, Instagram Reels, TikTok backgrounds, YouTube intros, and aesthetic video loops. These types of loops are extremely popular and brands love them because they catch attention instantly. You can offer animated backgrounds, logo loops, product animations, and video intros. These loops typically sell for $15 to $75 depending on complexity. With LoopGen, you simply describe the animation you want, and it generates it smoothly, making it a very easy income source. As a bonus tool, we have Video to Blog AI. This tool converts any YouTube video into a ready-to-publish blog article instantly. If you want to grow a niche website, build an automated blog, create affiliate content, or produce articles quickly, this tool is incredibly useful. You can make money through Google Ads, affiliate links, or by selling content packages to clients who need articles. It's an easy way to turn video content into written content without writing manually. So those were some of the most powerful AI tools that can help you make money in 2026, even if you have no experience or technical skills. The best part is that each of these tools is fast, beginner-friendly, and gives you a real chance to create an income stream from home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which AI tool you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.